Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah, go ahead. I know. Try not to hit the senior citizens, okay? You're gonna aim at somebody. Try to aim at somebody who'll probably be able to get out the way, okay, Bubba? I gotta think about getting sued these days. Of course you gotta go over the water. Don't go over the water. Of course you're gonna go over the water. Bye. This is the first day out on the bike. That is Titi Cynthia got him for Christmas, and as you can see, I'm gonna have to catch up to this little motherfucker. Wait, hold up, Bobby, hold up, slow down, cause we don't want to get hit by the oncoming traffic. Alright, time to turn this off. Peace.